Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The object formerly known as the planet Pluto was discovered on February 18, 1930 at the Lowell Observatory in Flagstaff, Arizona, by astronomer Clyde W. Tombaugh, with contributions from William H. Pickering. This period in astronomy was one of intense planet hunting, and Pickering was a prolific planet predictor. In August 2006, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, downgraded the status of Pluto to that of dwarf planet. This means that from now on only the rocky worlds of the inner solar system and the gas giants of the outer system will be designated as planets. The inner solar system is a region of space that is smaller than the radius of Jupiter's orbit around the Sun. It contains the asteroid belt as well as the terrestrial planets Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The gas giants of course are Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune and Uranus. So now we have 8 planets instead of the 9 we used to have. A dwarf planet, as defined by the IAU, is a celestial body in direct orbit of the Sun that is massive enough that its shape is controlled by gravitational forces rather than mechanical forces, and is thus ellipsoid in shape, but has not cleared its neighboring region of other objects. So, the 3 criteria of the IAU for a full-sized planet are: it is in orbit around the Sun, it has sufficient mass to assume hydrostatic equilibrium and nearly round shape, it has cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. Pluto meets only 2 of these criteria, losing out on the 3rd. In all the billions of years it has lived there, it has not managed to clear its neighborhood. You may wonder what that means. Not clearing its neighboring region of other objects sounds like a minesweeper in space. This means that the planet has become gravitationally dominant. There are no other bodies of comparable size other than its own satellites, or those otherwise under its gravitational influence, in its vicinity in space. So any large body that does not meet these criteria is now classed as a dwarf planet, and that includes Pluto, which shares its orbital neighborhood with Kuiper belt objects such as the Plutinos.